You're on the right track, but you're really wrong. What do you think hill rock means? Maybe you should look at the hill and see if you could find a marker. I'd say step on the rocks. Yeah, try that. What are you trying to do? Are you trying to get a marker? Well, tough luck. You won't find one here. Look somewhere else. Gosh, you're persistent. Fine. Take the marker. SMH.
Now that's how you get the the. Now that's how you get the. What's that again? That's how you get the. Shit. Where's that? That's how you get the cough drop marker.